Annihilator. Her name is Kiara. Her name is Kiara. The kids in my class don't even know what is terminal velocity. OMG. Thank you, Kiara. Catch it. Oops. You catch it. She thinking that I threw it. Catch. Okay. Are you from Japan? No, I am from Philippines. I am from Philippines. Wow. Very good, Kiara. Give me the ball back, my love. Give me. Give me the ball back. Kiara is so excited to catch. Always excited. Throw the ball further. Ouch. Ah, lovely. Very good. You're doing fantastic. Playing best. Name him Cake Destroyer. Kiara? Give him a treat. Yeah. Yeah, it's playing time now, not treating time. Playing time. Later after the play. Yeah, lovely. Thank you. Give me. Thank you, my love. Okay, no problem. Miss Lexi. You catch it, my love. You catch it. Okay. Give me the ball. Aray ko, mama. Slowly. Slowly, my love. Uy! You're very dirty. Your tongue is dirty. Wait, I will clean that. Come here. We'll clean the ball. You stay there. Stay there, my love. Okay? Let's go. Let's go, love. I'm very excited to catch. Go, go, go. Thank you. Give me. La, la, la. Give me back. Give me my love.